Wow, it's amazing to see Luna hit almost 2 billion coins, 2 billion bonds in 7 days. 1,804,525,535 bonds in just 7 days. Wow, this is amazing. Now, one important thing is that Luna Classic was able to reach this because of Binance recent burning. Okay, now I'm happy, but I still want to see Luna burn about 5 billion coins on a weekly basis, but we know it's not going to be easy reaching that level. Okay, but most important thing right now is Luna Classic, we believe, is a long-time project. Okay, because for me, even though I have Luna Classic coins and I'll be buying Luna Classic coins, I'm not actually buying these coins because of I want to make money. I want the money to double before in the next 3 months, 4 months. Of course, we hope for that. But I'm a long-time trader. Okay, I'm a long-time trader. And the most important I want to see every week is that this coin is burning. Let's continue burning. I'm happy we are burning billions almost every month. Over 1 billion coins almost every month. I know this is going to take a very long period of time, but I still believe that the coin right now is trading with about 4 to 5 zeros. And if probably in 2025 or if probably in 2027, because I'm ready to wait, Luna deletes some of these zeros or Luna hit over 5,000% to 70 or 100,000%, that is going to be a lot of profit. So many coins you see out there always increase in price in the long run. Sometimes after some crypto coins, you might not even know when these coins are rising. You might not even know, but normally most coins you see trading at a very high price today, all of them started somewhere. It took them a very long period of time. Coins like Dogecoin that was trading with almost 10 zeros. You can see where Dogecoin is today. Shiba Inu was trading with about 10 zeros even as of last 2 years. Shiba Inu today is trading with about 4 or 5 zeros. Okay, you see, a very long period of time it matters a lot. It really matters a lot. Floki Inu, same thing goes to Floki Inu. So I believe Luna Classic, if one invests on Luna Classic, then leave it for a very long period of time, you might see yourself turning little amount into thousands. But just that once you're buying and you're investing on these coins, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. That is the major thing to understand, because anything can happen with any crypto coin, with any of your investments. So whenever that happens, just have the mind, oh, what I invested there is not something that can really move me. Okay, this is not a stock. This is not a e-commerce where you believe that you must make sales. This is cryptocurrency where anything can happen. So I believe if you are investing in cryptocurrency, please kindly invest what you can afford to lose, and invest for a long period of time, because these are the ones bringing in most of the profit. But please remember that this is not a financial advice. Kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.